In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add knowledge articles in Salesforce, a skill that will be incredibly helpful for organizing and sharing information within your organization. Whether you're building a repository of how-tos or frequently asked questions, this process will streamline communication and assist both your colleagues and your customers. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you can easily maintain and distribute documents in Salesforce's knowledge base. So let's dive in. First, you're going to want to log into Salesforce. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right of your screen where you'll find the gear icon. Click on it to go to Setup and then proceed to open Advanced Setup. This section is the gateway to many customization options in Salesforce, including the knowledge settings we're focusing on today. Now that you're in Setup, use the Quick Find feature. This is your best friend for swiftly navigating through Salesforce's extensive options. Type in Knowledge Settings and hit Enter. It's important here to ensure that knowledge is enabled. This is a crucial step because without enabling this feature, you won't be able to create and manage knowledge articles. After confirming knowledge is enabled, return to the home screen. Look for the App Launcher. It's your access point to all available apps. Search for knowledge in the launcher and open it. This moves you directly into the interface where all your knowledge articles live. Now that you're in the knowledge segment, it's time to start writing. Click the New button to create a new article. You'll be prompted to choose an article record type. Whether it's an FAQ, a how-to, or troubleshooting guide, select the type that best suits the topic you're addressing. Record types help in categorizing your articles according to their purpose or the kind of information they provide. Once you've selected the record type, start filling in the necessary fields, the title, summary, and the content. These fields form the core of your article, so make sure the information is clear and concise. A good title is essential as it helps other users quickly identify what the article is about. After filling in the main content, enhance your article's discoverability by adding relevant topics or keywords. Think about the terms your audience is likely to search for when looking for this particular information. With your text complete, the next step is to decide on the channels through which this article will be available. Channels determine where your article can be seen. You can choose to make it accessible internally within the company, to customers, or to partners. Select the ones appropriate for your article's audience. Before you finalize everything, don't forget to click Save. This action creates your article in draft form. Take the time to review your article thoroughly. Once you've confirmed that it's ready to go live and there's no further editing needed, go ahead and click Publish. And that's it. You've created and published a knowledge article in Salesforce. With this foundation, you can continue building and curating an effective knowledge base that will support your organization's information sharing needs. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.